Tina installation on macOS. In this tutorial video, we will show how to install and run Tina on macOS. The steps are as follows. Download setup file from email link. Launch Finder to locate and unzip archive. Some browsers unpack the archive automatically. Install the software package. Go to Applications in Finder and launch application. It will continue with the next steps of setup, downloading more files, and performing installation of main module, AI assistant, etc. AI add-on is automatically downloaded and installed. DC-DC converters add-on is automatically downloaded and installed. When setup is ready, the Tina launcher program will start. Double-click on Tina to start it. After starting Tina, use the order number to register the software. And unlock trial mode. Press the Authorize button. Select and copy your order number from the order confirmation email. Paste the order number into the Tina authorization window and press OK. Next time, just start it again from Applications in Finder. In the following sections, we will explore the operation of Tina version 15 on macOS through practical examples, covering Transient Analysis, PCB Designer, and using Tina's AI assistant. Transient Analysis. Open the following example from the Tina Examples folder. Select Transient from the Analysis menu and press OK. The transient response appears in the diagram window of Tina. PCB Designer. Open the pickcalculator.tsc from the Pick Calculator folder. Press the PCB design icon, then click OK. Within the PCB Designer, double-click the LCD component to see its properties. Subsequently, select the 3D view icon to observe the design in the 3D viewer. Using Tina's AI assistant. Load the TLS4120.tsc from the Design Tool folder. Run Transient Analysis. The output voltage is 5 volts. Invoke the AI assistant. Enter the following request: what is this circuit? The description of the circuit appears. Redesign the circuit to achieve an output voltage of 6 volts. preview of several analyses appears. The changed components are selected in red. Click the Startup tab. A diagram of the VCC output voltage appears. The output voltage is indeed 6 volts. You can also check this with Transient Analysis. The VCC output voltage is again 6 volts. For more detailed instructions on running TINA on macOS, please refer to our document, TINA Installation Guide for macOS.
For more information, visit our website at tina.com. Visit our YouTube channel to youtube.com/user/TINA Design Suite.